Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Optima gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release button, typically found on the driver's side dashboard or floor near the door. Press this button firmly to unlatch the fuel door. Once unlatched, gently pull the fuel door open to reveal the gas cap. You can then unscrew the cap to begin fueling your vehicle. If the electronic release doesn't work, don't worry. You can use the manual release. Open your trunk and look for a small access panel or a pull strap on the side closest to the fuel door. This is usually on the left side. Give the strap a firm pull, and the fuel door should pop open, allowing you to refuel without any hassle. Once the fuel door is open, unscrew the gas cap by turning it counterclockwise. Most Kia Optima models have a small hook or holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can conveniently hang the cap while you're fueling. After filling up, replace the cap by turning it clockwise until you hear at least one click, ensuring a secure seal. If you're still having trouble, check for any debris or ice around the fuel door that might be preventing it from opening. Also, inspect the release button for any signs of damage or if it feels stuck. Sometimes a simple cleaning can resolve the issue. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other helpful deals. Keeping your car well-maintained prevents many small inconveniences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.